You could actually make YouTube videos without actually owning a camera, or you don't have to film yourself to make videos. You can actually make what is called faceless videos using other video assets while actually using your own audio or your own voice recording. So in this video I'm going to show you how to do this. So without much ado, let's get started. Now, first thing that you have to do is to create your script. Yeah, there are two ways to go about this. You can actually create word for word script based on what you are going to say in your video, or you can create a detailed outline for your video that will allow you to create a comprehensive and a fluid audio recording that would actually complete a video. I know someone is asking what a script is. Anyway, script writing is not anything complicated. It's just the plan of your video. What are you actually going to say or do in your video for it to look organized? So I know other content creators don't plan when bringing out a video, but that's not the best. Everything that we do, we plan for before we start. Now, after writing or putting what you are going to say or do in your video, the next thing that you're gonna do is to record your audio or your voice. And I know someone too can ask, how can he or she do this? So you can actually make use of your phone sound recording and import the audio later after everything, or you can buy a microphone for content. Anyway you go about it, the choice is yours. Once you are done recording your audio or recording your voice, I would encourage you to edit it down. I mean, you have to cut it off the boring or any of the fluff, and maybe add any music you have wanted to add as the background sound. Now the next thing is to import the video assets of your audio recording. I mean, you have to get footages that actually responds to whatever that you say in your audio recording. Mostly I do record my phone screen when I'm showcasing how to do something or steps to create something. It's not anything, it's just like showcasing something and having the audio underneath like a tutorial to the person. Now trim your video according to whatever you say in the audio, or other way around, you can also find footages by giving a bot command that would respond to your audio. After this, you have to take time to edit the video to have a nice faceless video with a good quality audio. If you are okay after everything, you can export your video for upload. Now I'm coming to demonstrate on how to use Inshot to do faceless videos, so stay calm and follow me carefully as I do this. There are many videos editing app, but I'm going to use Inshot video editing app for this. So if you don't have one, you can download the free version from Play Store. Now let's say I'm doing a tutorial on how to check your Momo balance. With this, I'll first write the steps down, maybe somewhere in my notepad or notebook, for you to serve as my guide for my video. Yeah, so from the screen you can see written my script down. That's from the steps that I'll use it to record my voice note. After my script writing, what's next? I'm going to record my voice as the next step. As I said earlier, you can make use of the recording feature in the Inshot app, or you can use your phone recorder to record the steps or whatever that you are going to say in your video and import it to your project. So watch me out as I do this. Open your Inshot editing app. Click on video. Start new project and choose blank as a new background, or you can choose any graphics to be as your background, or you can use the recorded video you would be talking about as the background. But I'm going to use the blank and change the background color to my preferred one. Let's say white. Now extend your video length by dragging this button to let's say 10 minutes. After this, click the music button and click on record to start recording your voice. Or if you make use of the phone recorder, you can click on music and you click on import music, then you select the recorded voice notes. So watch me out as I do this. So now I'm done recording. I'm coming to edit my recording by just cutting the boring part of the recording and add the background music that I wish to use. So watch me out as I do this one too. Then you click on the music button to import the background music, or you can still extract from a video that you might want the sound at the background. Now the next step is to import your video or my video asset. With this, since I recorded my phone screen, I'll click on the PIP button and select the recorded video from my gallery. So watch me out as I do this. I'm clicking on PIP, then I'll select the screen that I recorded and I'm trimming it to the exact place. Then I'll resize it. So after resizing it, I'm going to edit it to the how I talk for it synchronize to my voice. If I'm okay, then I'll continue and export my video. So as seen, I'm okay with my everything now. So I'm exporting my video for upload. I'll animate the other one that we just did, voice, for it to not be the same as the main voice. Now let's take a look at what we just did.
I welcome you back. So today I'm going to, as I said it earlier, I'm going to, let's say, how to check your Momo plan. So just open your phone dialer, then you dial *170. Then you send. Then you click on option 6. That's my wallet. Then option 1, you select option 1, and you send. You enter your Momo pin to continue to view or know your Momo balance. So thanks for watching this video.
Yeah guys, so that's all and how I do my faceless videos. You can also just follow up and also do more research or watch more videos on editing. You have to always improve your editing for you to get understanding of whatever that you do every day. So thanks for watching this video. I'm UNS Prince and I'm out.